Good evening. My name is Debanjali Bhomik and I am going to speak a few lines about Vigilant India, Prosperous India. On September 9, the Central Vigilance Commission had decided to observe the Vigilance Awareness Week from October 27th to November 2nd in this year with the theme Vigilant India, Prosperous India. In addition, the Commission has asked all government organizations to focus on internal activities which are to be taken up in campaign mode as part of the Vigilance Awareness Week. There is a great need for India to be vigilant in this present pandemic situation. The economy has suffered a lot at this time, as we all know. India can fight back in this situation if there is awareness among the citizens. Awareness is needed for this COVID situation, competition from international markets, as well as for the increasing corruption in this country. Indian citizens should realize that buying foreign products should actually ruin the country's economy. Banks and other sectors should not collaborate with foreign companies. We should be aware of our position at present. Due to the lockdown, many cases of domestic violences has been increasing a lot. So awareness should be there in all citizens of India for the significant development of the country. Corruption can be reduced only if the citizens are aware and vigilant. The Central Vigilance Commission is an apex anti-corruption body mandated to fight corruption for ensuring integrity in administration. The Commission has asked government organizations to display on their website details of systematic improvements and good practices adopted for wider awareness by them. The Commission expects all organizations to conduct various activities with zeal and enthusiasm. Therefore, the goal can be achieved only if we all are aware and courageous enough to speak up against corruption. For that, minimum education among all citizens is very much required. In this way, the HDI of India can also be increased and corruption can also be reduced. Thus, vigilance of India can lead to its prosperity and development. Thank you and have a very nice day ahead.